Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. We have leftover mashed potatoes, and so today I want to make mashed potato patties. So let's get started. So here is our bowl of leftover mashed potatoes. Put our salt in. Some pepper. I don't like putting a whole lot of salt and pepper in. My family doesn't need the salt, and one of us doesn't like a lot of pepper. So in this case, I always let them salt and pepper their own food. I always add a little bit, but just not a whole lot. We have a beaten egg. I'm only going to put about half of this milk. There's 2 tablespoons in there. I'm going to put flour. We're going to put about half of this cheese in here. A little more. And green onions. I want to save some for a garnish. And that is it. It's just so easy. So now we just need to stir it up and we're ready to go to the grill. We want these kind of thick, so I'm not going to add any more milk. Now this griddle is cast iron, so I've got it on 350 degrees. Okay, so let's make these more into like a thinner. You don't want them so thick, they'll probably take forever to cook. And this is on 350. My mother always cooked these in cast iron. Of course, on the ranch, back in the 60s, that's pretty much all they had. The secret to these is having patience. Let them cook for 5 minutes on each side. And I think instead of using the spray oil, I'm going to use the real oil. I think they need a little more oil. We are done with the last 4. And I will say, I cooked these 4 minutes on one side and 4 on the other. 5 minutes was just too much. Now in my Mother's Day, we would have put butter on these. So that's what we're gonna do with one. Butter is kind of cold. But you can also do sour cream, cheddar cheese, and green onions. So we're gonna try one with some sour cream. Some cheddar cheese. And some green onions. Alrighty, we have two versions here. We have a potato patty with butter, and we have potato patty with sour cream, green onions, and cheddar cheese. But I'm gonna try the one with the butter first. This is how we would have eaten them at home. It reminds me of home. Oh, that was good. Okay, now we're gonna try one with the sour cream, cheese, and green onions. You know, you could use chives in these too. Oh, that's really good. Tastes like a baked potato, a loaded baked potato. And you can also probably throw bacon in here if you want. I didn't because I don't have any on hand. But, wow, that was really good. Well, folks, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like our channel, could you please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, you know it helps us grow, and we would surely appreciate it. Well, you have a wonderful day. I know I'm going to because we have potato patties. All right, folks, you have a good day. Bye-bye.